Good afternoon, everybody. I have the S&P 500. This is January 2019. We had some horrific bear market, and it is in a bear market. We got extremely oversold right here, and we can see that when we started out this 2000, January 2019, the 10-day moving average is a blue line. The red one is a 20-day moving average. We've had three straight up days. This is going to be that resistance level. And we are still um, coming off of a very oversold bear move. The bear market started in 2018, and this is a new year. And all the 50-day moving average is a white line at 26.39. That blue line, that's a 40-day moving average at 26.20. If you ever want to learn how to use moving averages correctly relative to market strength, give us a call today. The 200-day moving average on that S&P is way up there at 27.41. And that beige line right there where the pointer is, that is a 100-day simple moving average. When bear markets start, there is what we call a bull raid and a bear raid. Bear raids make a lot more money because you're getting both sides of the market. You're making one collapse right here, going all the way down. Then stocks went that way and stocks got oversold. However, we have not really put in the low yet. This low that happened over here, pal, oh yeah, it's going to get retested, and you can darn believe it. So, 2019, brand new year, stocks were oversold going into January. Last January, everybody was bullish and it tanked. Now I'm going to show the weekly chart on that S&P 500. The weekly chart right here, S&P 500. This is the first full week of this bar. That beige line is a 100-week moving average, and that's at 26.15. That's the wall of resistance in this bull and bear rate on that weekly chart. That blue line that crossed over all these other moving averages, and it's about to cross over the 100-week. That is a 10-week moving average at 26.15. Oh, yes, it is. And not only that, you've got your 50-week, 40-week, and 20-week moving averages that are up here where we went into a big bear raid. And, we're starting a new year. This is what it looks like on a weekly level. We are oversold. We were going to bounce. How to trade bull and bear markets and make a fortune. Do you want to trade options with us? We give out the limit order. We give out the exit order. Join that free 5-day trial. Don't be worried about your success. Take the right step. 702-685-0772. And we will do all of the management. You'll learn everything. You'll make a lot of money, but you have to get in the free 5-day trial and see it live. I'm concluding the weekly, the daily bear bull market, January 2019.